And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 222. Let me show the Chrome filter. It's more like an abstract filter, so it's very hard to get decent results if you want to preserve the original details. You can find it under Filter, Filter Gallery. It's in the Sketch folder, option number 4. You can already see this gives me a very abstract result here. And by the way, you can also find it in a drop-down, so there it's alphabetically sorted. You can adjust the level of details and the smoothness, but even if you go to the extreme and you want to preserve most of the original, you would go down with the smoothness and up with the detail. You can still not see the original anymore. So once again, it's more like a filter for an abstract result. But this is how you can use the Chrome filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.